The software development division at BrainCal delivers end-to-end engineering solutions across modern digital platforms. The team specializes in web development, full-stack development using modern frameworks, scalable, secure, and high-performance web applications, mobile app development, iOS and Android, native and cross-platform app development, App Store deployment, optimization, and lifecycle management, seamless integration with back-end systems and cloud services, cloud development and migration, cloud-native application design, migration of legacy systems to AWS, Azure, or GCP, DevOps automation, CI/CD pipelines and infrastructure modernization, AI implementation, custom AI solutions aligned with business workflows, AI agent development, autonomous and semi-autonomous, AI agents, workflow orchestration, reasoning systems, and task automation. Reach out to BrainCal for all your IT needs.
BrainCal Educational Wing provides comprehensive training for learners ranging from primary school students to industry professionals. At the professional IT level, we strengthen core skills in MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint, and offer web development training in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For data-focused careers, we provide hands-on learning in Python and SQL, along with foundational exposure to block programming, RPA, and AI. Learners also gain practical experience through industry-level projects in the banking, insurance, and services sectors. For younger students, BrainCal supports 11+ exam preparation through its dedicated BrainCal app on iOS and Android. We also offer specialized GCSE and A-level support to help students build a strong academic foundations.
Best platform to learn. This is the best platform to learn.
This is the best platform to learn on.
BrainCal is the best platform to learn.
BrainCal is the best platform to learn.
10X Talent Wing at BrainCal is dedicated to accelerating human capability through structured learning, personalized growth systems, and high-performance skill development. This wing focuses on transforming learners into confident, future-ready achievers by combining technology and behavioral science. Core focus areas: talent acceleration programs, skill-building pathways for students and professionals, rapid learning frameworks designed to multiply capability, performance tracking and personalized improvement plans, cognitive and academic enhancement, structured modules for reasoning, problem-solving, and analytical thinking. Adaptive learning journeys powered by data insights, digital learning platforms, custom educational websites and mobile apps, AI-driven recommendations for continuous growth, professional upskilling, industry-aligned microcourses, career-oriented paid public speaking, tools to build confidence, communication, and leadership. Reach out to BrainCal for amplifying your talent.